This installation guide will help you install Everblue the right way for its complete functionality. If you have further questions, please contact us at everbluesystem.com. Material requirements: neoprene 1/16 inch thickness, plastic wrap, 3/16 inch hex key, insulating tape. Installation instructions: 1. Thoroughly clean the pipe part in which Everblue will be installed, leaving it free of dust, humidity, grease, or any contaminant. 2. Use the plastic wrap on the cleaned pipe surface and wrap it 7 times. 3. Wrap the neoprene over the plastic wrap until the device has no movement. 4. Screw your Everblue device, leaving it tight and without movement. 5. Wrap 7 times your Everblue device with plastic wrap. 6. Cover your Everblue device with insulating tape over the plastic wrap, protecting it from sun, water, dust, or any possible contaminant. Invest smart in your water treatment with Everblue.